Hi there, it's Claire Paris with Paris Group Realty, LLC, and today we're talking about the title report from the seller's perspective. So, we've marketed your property and we finally found that one buyer that's so interested in their property that they wanted to write an offer, and we've come to an agreement. Once we have the contract, we'll forward that to the title company, and then the title company is going to have a bunch of questions for you specific to the property and your loans. So what might come up is, if you have a mortgage on the property, you're going to need to give them all that information. You might have back taxes or back child support, or your name might just be not super unique. So if your name happens to be John Smith, they're going to need more information to clear title to the property so that they know that you're the John Smith that's supposed to be selling this house. The title company needs to prove that you're not the John Smith with back taxes or back child support. Then you're going to want to make sure that you get the title company your updated social security number, your residence, and they might need your ID to be able to clear title, and that's what that's called, so that when the buyer purchases the property, they're purchasing it without any liens against the property. You're going to want to give them your mortgage information, and then what state you reside in, all kinds of stuff that doesn't seem like it makes any sense. But the reason why they're doing that is because with the sale of a property, there might be some taxes that you have to pay, and so they're obligated to make sure they collect those taxes before the property closes. We're going to look at this document together and go over things and make sure that everything that's actually on there is something you were aware of that is intended to be there. As always, we'll get through it together, and we'll talk soon. Take care. If you like this video, click the like button below, and of course subscribe to our channel so you get all the new weekly content. If you have a comment or question, comment below and I'll get to you as soon as I can. I hope you have a great week. Thanks for tuning in.